Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a list on the Amazon Alexa application. But first, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, you should go to your home page, and after that, you should click on the More button down below and click on Lists and Notes. After that, tap on Create List in the Lists section at the top, tap on this plus icon, and then you should type in the name of the list. After that, you should tap on the Add Item button to add your items. Type it in, and you can add as many items you want to. Just type them in and click on the Add Item button. Here you can tap on this box next to the item you want to mark as completed. As you can see, a check mark icon will appear in the box and it will be put in the completed category. If you tap on this three dots icon in the upper right corner of the screen, you can either hide the completed items, you can then show, clear the completed items, or archive the list too. And if you want to create another list, feel free to do so by going back to this section and type in the list name and add items. If you want to, you can also share this by tapping on the share button, and here you can forward it via AirDrop, messages, Facebook, and other social networking sites. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.